Alrighty. Okay, so this is a first. I thought that I would do a holiday makeup look that is natural without lashes. I like to keep things pretty simple and quick because during the holiday season, everyone's rushing around. So I just thought, okay, I'm just gonna make a video and see how it goes. It may not work out, or it may. So we'll see in the editing. If you see this video, it's because somehow I pulled it off. It's also red lip season, and who doesn't love a red lip? Mwah. So let's get into glamming our pretty faces. First, you want to prime your face, and I use the Mercier Foundation Primer. This primer is going to keep your makeup on all frickin' day long. It is great, and it's a little bit matte, so I like to keep this under my foundation and concealer, and it doesn't move around, so I'm going to fan this off, then use my Kylie Cosmetic Take Me On Vacation palette. I go in with the Sea Breeze first, and I put that into my crease, and I just start blending out on both sides. Then I'm going to go in with Coconut, also blending in my crease as well, and just creating those transition colors. Next, I'm going to go in with Surfboard. This is like a very shiny, greenish, silverish color, and it's beautiful. Her colors are so pigmented, and I absolutely love her makeup. So I'm just kind of making like an oval shape, and then I'm going to spray my setting spray on my brush and go in again because this is going to pick up more of that pigment to make your eyes pop a little bit more. Then I go underneath with the coconut color and the Surfboard just to keep it blended and cohesive underneath my eye. Next, I'm going to go in with Luxury, which is like a deeper purplish brown, and I put that in the corner or outer corner of my eye, and I blend upward. And keep blending, baby. You gotta keep the blending because that's what's gonna make it look flawless. Next, I go in with my Maybelline Better Skin Foundation. I just, put that all over my face. Then I use my not beauty blender. I use my face blender from Real Techniques. I will put that down below. I forget what it's called. But I just blend all over my face. My neck, my face, under my chin, on my ears. I know this color does not necessarily match my Casper the Ghost skin, but you just make it work, and I'll probably be wearing a chunky sweater, so no one will know the difference. Blend, blend, blend. Now time to contour. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my face contour palette, and I use these two colors to just blend within the crease of my face. Follow that hollow, as Charlotte Tilbury says. And then I go up into the threes. So I make a 3 on each side of my face just to kind of keep it all together. I then take my makeup brush and I just kind of make it like a line, and I move it along my nose because my nose is very long and it's a little tad bumpy. Still love it, but I just want to contour it and then highlight it with my concealer. I also highlight my forehead, my under eyes. I kind of make it into a triangle, and then I go down to my chin and also highlight that as well. Now I use my blender and I blend it all out. I absolutely love the Tarte Shape Tape. I just think it's the best. I use the color in light. It may be a little too light because I feel like I get some flashbacks sometimes. I might need to do light medium, or I think they have like a light fair. But I go underneath my contour, just kind of make that contour pop a little bit. And yeah, we're gonna keep moving on. So now I'm gonna go back into that contour palette and use one of the highlighting powders, use that underneath my eyes, and just make that set a little bit. I'm not gonna use a setting powder. I like using this because I'm not going to a party or anything. It's just kind of like a daytime look, my filming look, and I don't really need that setting powder. So I just use this highlighting powder and I'll do the same trick. Now I'm using my Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Powder. Oh my gosh, you guys. Becca highlighters are bomb.com. Like, don't even try another highlighter. Okay, that's a tad dramatic, but they are so good. I love their highlighters. Everyone compliments me every time I have this highlighter on. And, I like to look a little bit like the Tin Man and put it on my nose, and then I put it on the bridge of my nose. I just gotta highlight and glow all over. I also put it underneath my eyebrows, blend in the eyeshadow. and just kind of, give myself an overall glowy, dewy look, and I put it in the inner crease of my eye. Next, I use mascara because I freaking love mascara. If I had to choose 2 products in life, it'd be eyebrows mascara, and probably that's it. So now I'm going to go with my Kylie Cosmetics awesome, amazing blush. Look how beautiful. It is the Winter Kiss. This is brand new. It's her pressed blush powder, and it's phenomenal. Now I'm using my NYX Pinup Pout. This color is Lucie, and I really love this color. I think it's nice and bright. I just love any kinds of red during this season. You can use any color you have that's red. It's just that nice holiday pop on your lips that I want. I used the tip of this lipstick as like a lip liner. I know that's not how you're supposed to technically use it, but I don't have a lip liner that matches, so I'm gonna make do and rock the red lip how I want to. And I think it just turned out fine. It's nice and creamy. You really don't need lip gloss, but I just love that glossy look. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my lip gloss and pop it on my lips. My lip gloss be poppin', my lip gloss be cool. I had to. Anyways, I use my all-nighter setting spray, and let me tell you, it lasts all-nighter. It is awesome. It's from Urban Decay. You gotta fan it. You gotta fan it out because you want everything to set in place. You don't want anything to move. And there you go. This is the final glow, glam look. I hope you enjoyed.